getting ready to cut the Lexan here this morning. Turn on a little more light here. This is a piece of genuine Lexan too, so name brand stuff. And I'll put the lock on that. What I've done here is I've taken the Lexan and temporarily clamped it along this tube up here with 3 just spring clamps that I use to kind of hold it there, so that I can figure out where the excess is. I've made the Lexan oversized slightly. You can see here I got maybe an inch to cut off there, but you know, rather to get this to fit precisely, I'd rather have it clamped against the framework of the plane so that I can draw a line down here and mark exactly where I want to trim it, because I know where the rivets are going to go. And then after I get this marked out, then I'm going to put temporary rivets. They call them Clecos. I think that's probably a name brand, but it's kind of a temporary rivet. I'll drill holes along here because you need to have a temporary rivet in there before you put the permanent rivet in, so you don't get wrinkles in it or something like that. You can get some compound air in there. But that's the plan right now. And then after the rivets are in, then I put this tape on there. This is sailcloth repair tape. Like I say, they use it on sailboats. And that'll go on there, cover the rivet heads, and wrap around the tube. And that's how I'm going to try to put the Lexan on. I've got another piece for the other side, so there's 2 of these things. And I guess you saw me taking off it's kind of a glued on plastic, I wouldn't call it paper, it's like plastic sheet. You peel that off, and I think that's to keep all this, you know, dog hair, and it's got a lot of static electricity, so it's to protect this so you don't mess this piece up. Every place you see a Cleco on there, there's going to be a rivet. And this is the old piece of piano hinge that came off there. The guy gave me this. At least they didn't lose this thing. So what I need to do is put this piece, I guess, back there like so. And those rivet holes should line up. And that's how I put this. Some people make a door over here, but I can't see the sense in it. You got the throttle and these instruments and the battery, and so I always get in and out from the other side. This is the panel on the rear. It would be a rear door if I got in and out that way. But like I say, the throttle's on that side. But what I wanted to show you is this piece of piano hinge. I think I can put that back on there, but when you want to take the piano hinge apart, you see this wire is bent over. I don't know if I can show you that. You see this wire here is bent over. You grab it with some pliers and you just pull on it. See, there's a few little bends in that wire, and it's got some grease on it, but it's really sticky stuff. I can see why it didn't slide out of there very easy. I'll have to wash that up and use something else to lubricate it with. But anyways, I got this off, so I think I can use this. This is no problem now. You can also do these rivets with a hand riveter, which you can get at Harbor Freight if you don't happen to have a air compressor. You can use one of these things. See, does the same thing. Aluminum rivets are pretty easy. There. Now that piece of piano hinge is on there.